Today we're doing something a bit different. We're gonna be looking at some Tom Misch guitar tones. If you're not familiar with Tom Misch, it's sort of a mixture of R&B, neo-soul, hip-hop, all infused into one. And there are a few tones that he works with, but in this video we're gonna be focusing on the more spacious, reverberated lead kind of sound that he uses. Right now I've sort of recreated the bones of his song called Cinnamon Curls, so let's see how we can fit that guitar tone in there. All right, so I'm gonna start with some Logic Amp Designer. I always try to get my amp tone right first, because then everything else kind of seems to fall in place easier. If you're not a Logic user, this is essentially a Fender Blues style amp that you can find emulations of all over the place. All right, I'm gonna bring this gain up a little bit. We don't want our gain too high, as we wanna keep it pretty clean on the amp side of things. When we get into the pedals later, then we can kind of distort it to get our lead sound. I'm not against the spring. I am gonna bring it down slightly. Bring this bass down a little bit. Treble down a little bit. All right, let's bring that reverb down a little bit, but I do kind of want to keep it because I think it has a nice characteristic. Honestly, that's a pretty good starting place in my opinion. Tonally, I think the effects are gonna do a lot of the work here. So what we're gonna do here, I'm actually gonna put my pedal board before the amp, and then I'll have my more time-based effects set after the amp. All right, so let's just start with this compressor. All right, that's pretty good. Now this is the only compression pedal in Logic's pedal board section, and there's really not much to it, which kind of works in our advantage here. I'm pretty sure he just uses it as an always-on compressor to really bring out the clarity and keep things consistent. By the way, if you produce neo-soul or R&B tracks yourself, I've actually put together a pack of 50 live performed drum loops that you can just drag straight into your DAW. They're processed with a really nice tape saturation, but I've also included the clean files as well as MIDI files so that you can throw them in your drum software of choice and really make it your own. As a session drummer, I kind of hate to admit this, but this pack really does capture the feel and dynamics of working with a session drummer without the cost or constraints that come with that. So if you want to add more depth and human feel to your productions, there's a link down below. All right, now let's bring this high drive treble boost in. Let's see. Turn that down. Pretty good. And again, even on this distortion, we don't want to go too heavy on the drive. You essentially want to make it where when you play softer, it's still pretty clean, but then when you dig in, there is some grit to it. Now, I think the effect that trips up the most people when it comes to Tom Misch's tone is this sort of auto-wah sound. Wah, 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 wah. Right? Essentially, this can be done with like an auto wah or an auto filter. In the pedal section here on Logic, I'm just gonna drag in this auto funk. And this is essentially gonna make it where, similar to that distortion, the sound significantly changes depending on how hard you play. Besides obviously the incredible playing itself, I think this effect is one of the defining characteristics of his guitar tones. I think we want a higher sensitivity. Yeah, so I kind of like that. I've got the sensitivity at negative 28.6 dB and the cutoff at 47%. This is set to low pass, up, and low. Yeah, I think that'll work. All right, let's bring in this heavenly chorus. Bring down the depth a little bit. This is off. On. Very subtle. Okay, so we've got the pedal board before the amp, and then we've got that Fender Blues style amp. And then after the amp is actually where I'm gonna be adding the time-based effects. All right, I'm gonna start with a delay. All right, let's bring in this blue echo. It's just got a very simple layout and a really nice characteristic to it. Let's just do a quarter note delay. Less repeats. Bring that mix down too, actually. Do that low cut. I like that. Okay. All right, now let's go down to reverb. I'm just gonna pick one of the stock ones. Let's do chroma verb. Let's bring the decay up, but the wet signal down. Honestly, I think that sounds pretty good, so let's take a listen to it in the context of the mix. You are my world. Cinnamon curls. I just want to tell you, girl. Emeralds and pearls. Yeah, they're losing their shine when I am here without you. I think that turned out pretty good, but if you have any suggestions or things you want to see in a future video, definitely let me know down in the comments. After you do that, watch this video next because I think you might like it. And as always, thanks for hanging out.